Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate product listings with Etsy, complete guide step by step clearly. To automate product listings on Etsy, start by creating a detailed plan for your shop. Identify the types of products you want to sell and gather all relevant information. Prepare high-quality images for each product. Create compelling product descriptions that highlight features and benefits. Next, sign up for an automation tool compatible with Etsy. Some popular options include Printful, Zik Analytics, or Etsy's own API. Once registered, connect your Etsy shop to the automation tool. This will allow the software to manage your listings seamlessly. Begin by uploading your product images to the automation tool. Enter the product details such as title, description, tags, and pricing. Make sure the descriptions are unique and engaging for better SEO performance. Utilize templates provided by the tool for consistency across listings. After entering all necessary details, schedule your listings for optimal times. Research the best times to post by using Etsy Analytics or third-party tools. Review your products and ensure all information is accurate before finalizing. Once satisfied, initiate the bulk upload process through the automation tool. Monitor the progress to ensure all listings go live smoothly. After the listings are up, use the automation tool to track inventory levels. Set up alerts to notify you when stock is low. Implement ongoing updates to refresh your listings periodically. Consider analyzing customer feedback and engagement data for improvements. Always stay updated on Etsy's policies to ensure compliance. With these steps, you will efficiently automate your product listings and save time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.